I'm Kate Farragher of Bespoke Skills, and I train and coach people to be better communicators, presenters and writers, as well as influencers. What made me set up my business was a real desire to help people in a very bespoke way, which is why my company's name is Bespoke Skills. I found that a lot of places that I was working, we would just take a training course off the shelf and deliver it to people. And I wanted to align the business much more to my values, which was to really challenge people to get to the next level, and bringing people around me that are wanting to do that as well. So I set up the business really to align it with my values, which are to challenge and to nurture. The idea really came from 14 years of being a trainer, and for the last 3 years being a coach and the last 6 years being a consultant. And I wanted to bring them all together in one company. It's quite interesting when you think about how long it takes to set up a business from the idea. I suppose the idea starts as a spark, and that spark I probably had in my mind for about 2 years. And then I started thinking about it realistically, got a bit scared of it if I'm honest. And then I spent another year really putting it into practice. What I love about running my own business is the flexibility and the challenge of it. It's quite challenging running your own business because you have to be lots of things and lots of different roles in a way, and I love that. I love the variety of it. But the flexibility is also brilliant because, you know, if you want to, you can take a couple of days off and spend some time with your family, or in my case, my daughter. What makes my business successful is results. If you don't get results, I don't think you're worth a training budget. I'm absolutely obsessed by making people achieve the results they've set out to do. My proudest moment, most recently, has been that 2 of my female clients have just got promoted in the banking sector. They've worked so hard and they strategically went out to get that promotion, and they did it, and I'm so proud of them. The challenge of believing in yourself, the challenge of actually setting it up and asking people for help has been really difficult, because you think, why would they want to help me? And then they do, and it's amazing. But I believe there's a lot more challenges still to come. The way that I'd like to grow my business is really to develop the authentic voice of my business. My background is in the media and in loads of different aspects of the media, and what I'd like to do is do a lot more with the different types of media to make it fun and interesting and interactive and very now. The one piece of advice that I would give a promising startup is ask for advice. You cannot do this on your own. If you think you can do it on your own, you know, it's not the best way forward in my view. If you look at all leaders of the past and all leaders of now, they always rely on other people to help them get to the top. So find those people and ask them for help. I have 2 types of insurance. I have public liability and professional indemnity. And the reason I have them is because a lot of the big city companies that I work with require it of you as a business. And I wanted to be with a company that I knew was going to be there for a long time and that I would trust.